Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal have in fact met the Prime Minister. The car stopped. Manish Sisodia has gotten down. He is walking towards this media enclosure where you can see almost an ocean of cameramen as well as reporters. Let's try and quickly listen in. Brajesh, if you could take the camera close to a vantage point from where we can see as well as hear Manish Sisodia.
अरे यार नीचे करो यार अरे भाई अनानास फोड़ो करो यार अरे यार इसी भी तोड़ोगे भाई ये नहीं अरे यार नीचे करो भाई पीछे हो जाएंगे मनीष जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कैमरा भी पकड़ रहे हो यार क्या कर रहे हो यार अनानास फोड़ो करो यार कहाँ लगे अरे यार इसी भी तोड़ोगे भाई ये नहीं अरे यार आवाज नहीं खाई जा रहा इधर सचिन भाई इधर आया अरे आगे जाना यार आगे भाई थोड़ा नीचे मुंह तो दिखने दो यार अरे यार कैमरा पकड़ रहे हो यार कैमरा नहीं किसी कर यार हटाओ यार केबल
Okay, we seem to have lost that video link. We'll try going across to that video link all over again. In the meanwhile, let's quickly play out those shots from inside that particular meeting. Let's just see if we have the shots from inside the meeting. Doordarshan footage. There you can see that's the Prime Minister as well as Arvind Kejriwal. They're sitting far away from the heat of the election campaigning, where very, very heated verbal volleys were launched at one another, particularly from the Bharatiya Janata Party, particularly from the Prime Minister. He used the choicest of words to describe Arvind Kejriwal. But now they seem to be discussing something. We'll try playing out what exactly Manish Sisodia is actually saying about this particular meeting. Let me see. Do we have that visual? Do we have that shot of Manish Sisodia speaking to the press? Okay, he has left. He has left. We try to replay what Manish Sisodia has said. Let's listen.
अरे यार ये क्या कर भाई साहब पीछे कर लो आईडी यार विचार चल रहा है इस बारे में कहना ठीक नहीं है जब तक गवर्नमेंट सारी ठीक है थैंक यू बस हटाओ कुछ नहीं करना
Okay, hard to find out what he has actually said. That it's an unusual situation at this moment, the kind that we usually saw maybe on big occasions. We have in fact seen that there is a huge media contingent waiting to cover some big event. This is certainly one of them. Let me see if we have Brajesh Pandey on the phone with us. Okay, Brajesh is with us. Brajesh, can you tell us what exactly did Manish Sisodia say?
Well, Sanket, the whole area was completely choco-blocked.
I can imagine.
With at least 30 to 40 camera person, and we were kind of left behind because we had the live wire with us. But after Manish Sisodia spoke he walked over to the other side, and as I would like my camera person to pan, he walked to the other side of the road, and there was the car in which Arvind Kejriwal, Innova in which Arvind Kejriwal was waiting, and it was in that Innova. He went and sat in that particular Innova and went away. So it was clearly the meeting lasted for around half an hour, and the meeting.
Okay, I can still see some movement happening. One really wonders whether Arvind Kejriwal has come on this side of the road or not. We can see some movement happening. Okay, a lot of commotion there outside 7 Racecourse Road. Brajesh Pandey getting us all the latest. We'll go across to Brajesh in just a short moment from now. But we're trying to figure out what Manish Sisodia has actually said. We'll play out this reaction. We'll play out this video clip in just a short moment, which will actually explain what Manish Sisodia actually said. He spoke about that particular meeting, which, as Brajesh is telling us, lasted about 25 to 30 minutes. Let's listen into the feed coming in from this camera. Let's listen.
मनीष जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने अरे यार नीचे करो यार अनानास फोड़ो करो यार
अरे यार एलसीडी तोड़ोगे भाई, ये नहीं। अरे यार
चुप रहो, आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रहा उसका।
अरे अरे यार अनुज भाई थोड़ा नीचे मुंह तो दिखने दो यार। अरे यार हाथ कैमरा क्यों पकड़ रहे हो यार? कैमरा नीचे कर यार। अरे यार नीचे करना, दोनों सरकारों को मिलकर तो कैमरा फंसा रखा, पीछे करना। आपको दोबारा भाई नीचे करना थोड़ा। ये गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है। सेंटर में पूर्ण बहुमत वाली सरकार है, दिल्ली में पूर्ण बहुमत वाली अभी सरकार चुनी गई है।
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज बनाओ।
दोनों मिलकर दिल्ली को पूर्ण राज्य बना सकते हैं। दोनों ही पहले इसके बारे में बात करना पड़ेगा। इस बारे में हम आने के बारे में क्या क्या शामिल होंगे पीएम स्पष्टता जताई है। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं पिछले 1.5-2 महीने से पूर्व निर्धारित कार्यक्रम से बाहर रहूँगा और मुझे खुशी होती, लेकिन मैं शामिल नहीं होता। और पूर्ण राज्य के बारे में उन्होंने कहा है कि
बड़े से आपको डिप्टी सीएम बनाया जा रहा है।
आपको डिप्टी सीएम बनाया जा रहा है। अरे यार ये क्या भाई साहब थोड़ा पीछे कर लो, आईडी यार करो यार। बहुत सारी चीजों पे विचार चल रहा है, लेकिन अभी इस बारे में कुछ कहना ठीक नहीं है जब तक फॉर्मली सारी चीजें ठीक है। थैंक यू।
Okay. Now, based on whatever little audio that we could get here in the studio, this is what we can tell our viewers at this moment. Manish Sisodia has said that in the meeting, what was communicated by Arvind Kejriwal to the Prime Minister was that in the center, there is a government with complete majority. In the state of Delhi, now there is a government with complete majority. Both these governments who enjoy a complete majority have to now come and collectively work together for the benefit of the citizens of Delhi. And all other issues were also laid on the table. They were discussed by the Prime Minister and Arvind Kejriwal, and they mutually agreed to take these talks forward. That is what we can gather from the feed that is coming in at this moment. Brijesh Pandey is with us. Brijesh, I wonder if you've actually heard what Manish Sisodia said. He talks about, you know, governments both at the state as well as the center enjoying full majority. Now they have to come together and collectively work for the interests of Delhi.
Well, yes, Sanket. Apart from that, the issue of full statehood was also discussed, and what our sources within the Aam Aadmi Party have told us is that Arvind Kejriwal extended an invitation to the Prime Minister. This is what we can tell our viewers, that Arvind Kejriwal extended an invitation to the Prime Minister to attend the swearing-in ceremony of Aam Aadmi Party on 14th at Ramlila Maidan. But the Prime Minister expressed his inability that since he has already a pre-scheduled travel program on 14th, he would not be able to attend it. He extended his best wishes to Arvind Kejriwal. The Prime Minister extended his best wishes to Arvind Kejriwal. And apart from that, the whole meeting, the half-an-hour meeting, was conducted in an extremely cordial and graceful manner. This is what we have been able to gather from our sources. The meeting lasted for close to half an hour. Arvind Kejriwal came 10-15 minutes before the appointment time. The appointed time was 10:30 a.m. He came at around 10:15 p.m. and went inside the 7 RCR. He was accompanied by Manish Sisodia, and the meeting lasted half an hour. Issue of statehood was discussed. It was also discussed that, you know, it's good to see that there is an absolute majority government in center as well as in Delhi, which will give, if both party wants the development of Delhi at their heart, that gives a unique opportunity to both parties to go ahead and do something substantially good for the Delhi. Invitation was extended, and as we had broken this particular news half an hour, 45 minutes back, that the Prime Minister cordially declined because he had a pre-travel schedule. He's traveling to Maharashtra on that day, leaving early morning, returning late evening as of now. After the meeting got over, Manish Sisodia came out of 7 RCR, stopped the car on the other side of the road. Remember, Sanket, like unlike previous time, the last two lines, there is a heavy barricading, so we are not allowed, the media contingent is not allowed to cross over to the other side of the 7 RCR. Manish Sisodia crossed over to this side of our teeming media team, more than 100 cameras which rushed to him. He gave a soundbite of what exactly transpired in the meeting and then walked over to the other side of the car where the car was waiting, and Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia left. What we have gathered from our sources is that after this, Arvind Kejriwal is going to his residence at Kaushambi because there are also people close to him are saying that he's running a temperature for the last 2-3 days and the doctor has advised him rest. So in all likelihood, he will leave for his Kaushambi residence. Sanket?
What has actually happened over the past half an hour. Brijesh Pandey, thanks very much. As we end this broadcast first up and then move on to other news and updates, one TV channel being broadcast here in the studio is actually reporting in Hindi. Arvind Kejriwal and Narendra Modi, dono ne haath milaya. Imagine even that is breaking news at this moment, considering what a bitter campaign that they have fought for the Delhi elections.